Hi, my name is Fran. For those of you that don't know me, I am the Education and Outreach Manager for the Guildford Shakespeare Company. Now, I ran a workshop for you guys in January, and it was so lovely to meet you. And I had so much fun that I am back again on the 6th of March with a brand new workshop. So, over the last year, I have directed several interactive murder mysteries for the Guildford Shakespeare Company. So, this workshop will be us getting together as sleuths to help Sherlock Holmes defeat the infamous Moriarty. So, what we'll do is we'll work together, we'll play some fun games, and we'll solve some riddles and clues together to see if we can work out how he managed to steal the Shakespeare Solitaire, which is a very rare diamond heavily under guard, and it is rumoured to have been given to Shakespeare himself by Elizabeth I. So it's under lock and key. So, Sherlock has asked me to get a band of detectives together. So I'm going to need a big range of people. I'm going to need those who are code breakers, who can solve some of the riddles. I'm going to need those that could draw the crime scenes and the suspects. And I am going to need those to act out the events that we think might have taken place. And I'm going to need some just to be lookouts, just to watch what's going on and warn us if any new information is coming up. So I hope that sounds fun. We're going to use Jamboard again. So if I'm able to share my screen, just to show those of you that haven't used it before, how it works. Bear with me 1 second. It's not coming up, but it's a really, really fun way to work all together to do it. Okay, here it is. Sorry for the delay. So you'll all get a link to something that looks like that. And what you can do is you can use pictures or text, and we all see exactly the same thing. So it's a way of being interactive without necessarily having to have your camera on or your mic on if you don't feel comfortable with that. So, for example, where could the Shakespeare Solitaire be hidden? I can go to here and add image and maybe put a cave. And then lots of these pictures come up. So I'll select the one that looks the most right. So for me, I reckon it might be in that kind of cave, so I insert it. Or if you'd rather use words, you can maybe use a sticky note and say maybe it's under, don't know how to spell Moriarty. You can teach me Moriarty's bed, and we can put it on like that. Or if we'd prefer, maybe we make a shape so we know it's going that way. Or do a bit of drawing. So, okay, let's do a map of what the vaults of the Bank of England look like, and we think it belongs there. So it's a really fun way for us to work together and communicate in a different way. Now, I hope that sounds fun, and I look forward to meeting you on the 6th of March. Thank you.